everyone, welcome to my channel Learning is Key. So we have started a new series, Programming in Java, where we will try to learn how to program using Java language. As part of that, first we have to understand which version of Java should we install. So come, let's start with that. So we open the browser and we select oracle.com Java Technologies. We have these versions. So best suited is Java 17. That is because it has LTS, which is long-term support. And then this is free to use in production as well. And it is free to distribute at no cost. So, and then we have support till September 2024. So this is the right candidate for us to use. So we'll go to Windows, and then what we are going to do is we are going to download 64-bit installer. So once the download is complete, we shall pick it up and then we shall install. Welcome back. So we have our installer available with us. So what we are going to do is we are going to right click, run as administrator. Like installing any other software, we shall continue installing Java. So you say next, and then this is the install location, program files, Java JDK 17. Say next. Close. So with that, we have completed the installation of JDK. Now what we will do is we are going to open the command prompt and we will try to see Java -- version. So we know that our Java is successfully installed. Java C. So Java compiler has come up with sources. So this marks the successful completion of installation of Java on Windows system. Thank you.